these options are really necessary because you have to have alternatives. Sometimes certain settings are boring per se. If you sit always with the same people, maybe share the same experiences or the same attitudes towards a certain issue. You might benefit more if you share with other people coming from other contexts, like in this case with the academy. We're currently involved, but also going out of the everyday setting of a class or the university. This makes the sole element of changing the environment or the context helps you to have a different maybe attitude or a perspective on what you are being taught or the way you are being taught. And having more flexibility, maybe having a different approach, more of a training or a seminar, a more interactive approach, I think makes it more attractive to students and also provides more medium for them to express themselves and exchange with their colleagues from the region in this case, but it might be also in other settings.
I think this academy is really good in a way that it provides basically the whole circle. So my impression is that students get the theory, but also they finish with practical examples. They are doing practical applied research. They are learning how to conduct research from the very beginning till the very end, including also robustness analysis of their results. So I think that there will be a lot of gains for the students, and what is really important is that they will have a really good feeling about the whole circle or cycle of one research which needs to be conducted by some of them in the future. So I believe that RRPP Research Academy is something which is really valuable for the whole region, and I think all of us should thank to RRPP for organizing this.
I think it's doing a great job in bringing together people not only from different countries but different perspectives and different teaching methods. That in itself is already an advantage that not many can use, if you like. This is my first year with RRP, and I can say that what I have seen so far is really a unique example of a group of desperate people coming from all over the Balkans, bringing their experiences together, and through discussions and practical exercises, lecturing, are actually teaching each other, even informally, about the situation in their own countries, which in a sense, and their own experiences, work experiences, which is unique. You can't find that in any other sort of, not even in any other academic setting, even abroad. And also it's the benefit of really using sort of a mix of taught and practical methods. And so you have sort of for each module a combination of both. So the students are never really just listening through a whole day to notions about specific topics, but actually engage with the lectures and try to practically answer the question that then will form their everyday life, whether they decide to become sort of a researcher in a third sector NGO organization or whether they want to pursue an academic career. So it's a perfect combination of both.